Glad you're here to work with me on this question on angle of elevation and depression. It says the point X and Y are on the same horizontal base as the foot of a building such that X is 96 meters due east of the building and Y is due west of the building. That is, if the foot of the building, this is the foot of the building, if I have the building this way and X is due east of the building, is 96 meters due east of the building, that's 96 meters, here is X, and from the foot of the building to X, I should have 96 meters. And Y is due west, such that from Y to the foot of the building, it's not given. But if the angle of elevation of the top of that building from X, I have an angle of elevation of the top of this building this way, and it's 30 degrees, and that of Y, the angle of elevation of that building from Y also is 50 degrees. That is, what I have here is 50 degrees. My examiner wants me to calculate the distance of Y from the base of the building. Here is my Y. I should calculate the distance of Y from the base of the building. I'll call that, let's refer to that as Y. Let's refer to the height of the building as B. I'll use the principle of Saussure to solve this question, because I'll need to find B first, then I'll now find Y. From the first part of the triangle, let's label the triangle. If this is A and here is B, from A, B, and X, I can solve for B using tan theta. Tan 30, which is equal to opposite over adjacent, will be the same thing as B over 96. So that B will be the same thing as 96 tan 30. That will be equals to 96 into tan 30. Let's use my calculator. So that tan 30 here is 30. The tan of 30 is 0.5 times 96. That's 55.425 or 426. This times tan 30. So the whole of this is equals to 55.426 in meters. Now, if I've gotten my B to be equals to 55.426, then I should be able to solve for Y, still using the same tan. Now, tan 50 from the other part of the triangle will be given as 55.426 all over Y. So that Y invariably will be the same thing as 55.426 all over tan 50. That will be equal to 55.426 all over. Let's find out what tan 50 is from the calculator. Here is 15, then the tan of 15, 1.1917. Let's write that as 1.19175. I can approximate that to 18. So that Y invariably will be the same thing as 55.426 divided by 1.1918. That's equal to 46.5. That's equal to 46.5 in meters, 46.5 meters. With this, I hope you understood how I treated this angle of elevation. I'll be glad to have your comments in the comment section. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.